Here's a delicious recipe to boost your testosterone. We have 4 pomegranates, about 3 cups of red grapes, and a medium-sized beet. That's it. This is going to help to increase your testosterone. Ready? Let's go. And slice up our beet. We got our pomegranate, so you cut around the top to get the pomegranate open. So we're going to cut off the top here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to just cut around the pomegranate and you're going to cut it into 4s. Then you're going to take a water and we're just going to open up the pomegranate into the water and the seeds will begin to pop out. So you're going to open it up like that and pop the seeds out. They come out pretty easy. I'm popping them everywhere. And they'll just go to the bottom of the water. And that's how you get the pomegranate seeds out. You see how they're coming out? And then we're just going to take off the grapes off of the vines. Take them off the vines like that. So now all our prep is done. We have our 1 beet. We have 4 pomegranates and 3 cups of grapes. Now it's time to juice. Got our pomegranate. Gonna add our grapes. Then we're gonna add our beets. And there you have it. That's going to give you about 40 ounces of juice. Now, you don't drink all this at one time, brother. This is something you can get about 3 servings out of this. And the good thing is not only is it so good for your body in terms of increasing your testosterone, but it also tastes delicious. Cheers.